Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and guess where we are? We're back in Tesoro. We have another special apartment to show you. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. As you can see, a lot of space in this apartment, over 200 meters, with a full dining room. A really nice kitchen. The floors here are marble, so you can see. And they've done a really nice renovation. But I'm going to show you back here. Done a really nice job of the kitchen. And there's a really nice green space just out back here. Nothing can be built here because the river runs just down below there, as you can see. Really nice sized kitchen. And if you wanted to, there's a laundry room back here. And you could even expand the kitchen more, as there's a service quarters. And the typical maid's room here, as you can see, and space back here. They don't have a live-in helper here, but again, a really big space back here that could be captured, and you could actually have another full room back here with a washroom. And if you wanted to, you could expand the kitchen even more back this way here. It's possible. Let's take another look at the living room here and the dining room. So this is an Upper Tesoro area. You would definitely need a car in this area. And it comes with 2 parking spots. Again, super clean, turnkey apartment. Let's go take a look at the view. Some beautiful Medellin views. So this is actually an apartment in a building here, but there are part of the subdivision are townhomes in and around. This is a more established community. It's been here for quite a few years. Nice size balcony, as you can see here. And a really nicely sized living area also. And then just off to the side here, we have the social washroom. And just over here, this could be a bedroom, but right now it's being used as an office. A really nice size office. So if you need to get some work done, you got a really nice space here to work with. So off to the bedroom area. There's 3 bedrooms here. We will start in the principal bedroom, which is the size of an apartment in Vancouver, where I come from. Ample space here. Really, really nice space. And another work area right there. Let's give another perspective of this super big principal bedroom. And then right through here, we have principal bedroom, washroom. Complete. And shower. And as you can see, his and her sinks. And a really nice walk-in closet here. As usual, we will put all the specifications at the end screen, the price, the square meters, all the pertinent specifications. So let's move on to the other bedroom. So here you have the second bedroom. I think the cleaner is in the other bedroom. Cleaning. So, forgive the noise. So yes, this is in a lot of apartments in the city here, this is a master bedroom, a principal bedroom. And it has its own little walk-in closet. Every single room, of all three here, have their own washroom, complete with rain shower. And they all look onto the green space right here. So I think we'll end this video here because the other room is being cleaned, but it's a mirror of this one here. Exactly the same layout. So we will end the video here today. If you have any questions, or if you would like to arrange a viewing, you can let us know. You can contact us through ExpatCrib.com, and you can quote Upper Tesoro 3-bedroom apartment. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we will see you in the next video.